Maulai legislator Bright Starwell Marbanyang today took strong note of the fact that the shopkeepers of 48 crore Isbt are suffering since the interstate buses are not operating. In a zero-hour notice, he said that following suspension of operation by buses, the Isbt has become a ghost house and the livelihood of the shopkeepers in Isbt have been affected. In a reply, Transport Minister Singh Bhalangdhar said the government will waive the rent of the shopkeepers and they will also waive off the parking fees.
In fact, many of these shop owners who depend for their livelihood from their shops that they have opened in these Isbt, and suddenly when these buses stop flying through Omnium Bridge, and ultimately they were not parking their vehicles in Isbt, and this have affected many people who derive their livelihood from these shops.